happy birthday. Wishing you a fantastic year ahead, full of success and happiness. Hi Ma'am Jude, happy birthday. Thank you for your leadership and support. Enjoy your day.
Sa BM Beshi kong si Ate Jane, wishing you a happy birthday, and I wish na pagpalain pa kayo ni Lord na more blessings pa, and sa team niyo po, more saves para sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the day.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judith and Jane. More sales to come. Good health and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my fabulous, fun to be with, gorgeous, hot, sexy, Mimasur Beshi Jane. It's your day tomorrow. So, I just want you to know na ang buhay ay malungkot kapag wala ka. So, isa ka sa mga remarkable person in my life. And hindi ko naiisip na ang day ko matatapos nang hindi kita nakakausap. It's either kwentong seryoso or bardagulan. I can't live without my Beshi Jane. So, make sure that you stay healthy all the time para mas longer life tayo together with our family, loved ones, and to us Beshi Bells. Maging masaya ka today, spend more time with your family, loved ones. Saka mo na lang kami i-treat kapag nakuha mo ng 318k sellers incentive mo. I wish you all the best, Beshi. We'll love you so much. See you tomorrow.
Sa aming Assistant Sales Director, Judith Mizal, ako'y bumabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Stay healthy, no? Yun lang naman ang aking kahilingan sa darating sa ngayong birthday mo. With that, hoping to see you again soon, next year. Alam nyo na hindi na naman tayo kasama next year. So, ayun. Kung saan man kayo mapuntang grupo, hopefully, kung ano yung support na binigay nyo sa akin and sa team, yun din sana ibigay nyo. Stay healthy again. Ayun, yun lang naman. Happy birthday, Judith. Sa nag-iisang Mary Jane de la Cruz ng Victorious Warriors, wishing you all the best on your birthday. Keep it up. Alam kong marami ka pang bubuga, marami ka pang ilalabas na pasabog ng benta. Stay healthy and stay sexy as you are. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jude, and happy birthday, BNJ. Thank you po sa guidance and sa mga thoughts and sa knowledge po na sinishare niyo sa amin every time. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jude. Wishing you a happy heart and good health as always. More sales to come, and also for everybody in the team. Praying and hoping po kami na sana ibigay na ni Lord yung matagal na nating pinagdadasal para sa inyo ni Sir. Para complete family na talaga, which is your baby. So, ipag-pray natin yan, Ma'am, and we're claiming for it na malapit na siya. So, thank you so much, Ma'am, again, and happy birthday. Happy birthday, BM Jane, ang BM naming napakasikip, sobrang sikip, at walang kasing sikip. Wishing you a happy birthday, happy heart, and good health as always. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo on your birthday, and also for the whole team. Alam ko naman na yung success ng bawat isa sa amin dito ay success rin mo rin at ni Ma'am Jude. So, sana malasing mo kami today bukod sa mabusog. At ayun lang, hindi man ganun ka smooth sailing palagi, hindi man perfect
it's not always the way you expect it to be, pero always remember na we've seen all the efforts and we really appreciate it. So thank you so much for the guidance and all the help. Have a blast. It's your birthday, so inuman na. Charing. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom Judy and Mom Jane. Today's your special day. What can I say? Of course, syempre, we're so grateful that kayo yung naging leader namin. It's really my first time in real estate industry, pero ngayon pa lang I would say na hindi ako nagkamali ng desisyon. And para sa akin, I'm so grateful dahil no matter how tough the challenges are, how tough the situation is, we still keep on going and going and going. Thank you so much for inspiring us, for mentoring us, for imparting your wisdom sa amin ng mga baguhan. And wala akong masabi, both leaders, Mom Jane and Mom Judy, you're all the best. Happy birthdays, more years to come, more good health, more success, more happiness to both of you, ma'am. And here's for our next decades and years, sama-sama pa rin tayong lahat. Ito po, happy birthday!
Hi guys, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday yung branch manager ko, si Ma'am Jen Pompan de la Cruz. Ma'am, happy birthday po. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat na sa lahat ng tulong at sa hindi pagbitaw sa akin. Ma'am, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, ma'am. Good luck and more sales to come. Yan, ma'am. Good morning, Ma'am Judith. Happy birthday, Ma'am Judith. Wala na po ako ibang masasabi kasi nakikita ko po na you are successful in la vida. So, happy birthday, ma'am. Enjoy your birthday, ma'am. And then, sana malasing po kami. Yan. Happy birthday, ma'am. And good luck din. More self to come po.
Hi Ma'am Jane, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagtuturo at mentorship sa atin na walang sawa sa araw-araw. Ilan po, more blessings and keep safe sa family. Po. Hi BM Jane, happiest birthday. Continue your good vibes to others to inspire your vibes. So nakakabawas ng problema, namang inisip yung vibes mo. So, ayan. Happiest birthday BM. God bless sa team mo at sa team natin. Thank you sa lahat.
Hi, Jane and Judith. Happy birthday to Jane. Happy birthday, one of the sexiest and funniest team of Cluster 4. Thank you very much for all your dedications and commitment for delivering your target or sales for 2024. Thank you for all the participation. Sobrang bait ng team na to with Jane. Also, sobrang saya lang kapag nandyan si Jane. So, continue to shine, continue your funniest moment because it gives happiness for all of us. And sometimes because of you, I think most of the team nakakalimutan yung mga stress and problems because of your sexiest and funniest joke. With Judith, happy birthday. You're such a good leader for us, for Cluster 4. And I know your leadership can transfer, or because of your leadership, your team deliver more sales for us, more sales for Avida. And I know all of your team is happy because you're one of a kind leader that matagal na with Avida, subok na leader na Avida. And I know yung leadership mo tatagal pa at mas marami pang mapapayaman na PIS and mas marami pang magiging Jane, magiging other leaders because of your leadership skills. So good luck and happy birthday again to both of you. Enjoy your day. And I hope isa lang naman ang wish natin lagi, more sales for all of us and more sales especially for you, Jane and Judith. Happy birthday!